Hello you noobs. So today you're going to be learning how you can do this KPI dashboard in PowerPoint. So stay tuned.
That's good.
Okay, so let's get started. So here's my dashboard. What you do now is make a new sheet, slide actually. Remove all that text inside, and then what you do is you say insert. So donut shape. Hold shift and click. The circle would be in proportion. Oops. Make that piece a bit so it looks like a gauge. Then what you want to do is remove the outside border. Okay, perfect. How do you break these parts into segments or fragments? What you do is there's a little trick. You say insert another shape and use maybe number 12 star point, and what you do is hold control and you click and drag. Maybe you can just make it bigger, and what you do is you pull this yellow slider in so it narrows out the points like that. Make it a little bit thicker. Cool. Now what you do is you highlight Control A, you group everything, or you can just group it like this, and then you go to Format, Merge Shapes, and you go Subtract. There you go, Fragment. So Subtract will create the gauge, but then what happens is how do you color each individual, how do you get each individual segment to pop out like that? So what you do is you highlight everything again, Format, go Merge Shape, and you go Fragment. Now what you do is you delete each of the parts separately, so you can see everything is now fragmented. What I usually do is just remove the inside first. Remove all the inside. You can delete them. And then what you do is then you can do these ones separately. Alright. That. Not gonna speed up the video because it's not very long. Oops. There you go. Now what you do is highlight everything, make it gray so it looks like a KPI dashboard, and then remove the outline, and let's make it green on the outside like that. So what you do is click Control, or you hold Control and click, and you select the number of fragments you want to color up, and let's go Format, Shape, Fill. Let's make it a green color, and then maybe these three, make it blue. I'm not going to make it exactly the same, but you get my drift. Make it blue, and then make the let's see if we can make these three pop out. Let's pull them out. Yeah, let's pull them out. Make them pop out of the circle. Hundreds. Now we want to make the triangle and then the percentage. So you can insert shape. Put a triangle there. And then you can make it green. And color. And then shape, outline, no outline. And then you just insert a text box. Yeah. Make it percent, for example. Enter, big, and there you have it. You have yourself a KPI dashboard in PowerPoint. Hope this helps. Comment below if you want to find out more advanced things, or tell me how you would like to see it, and maybe I can do something for you. But this is as basic as it gets, just showing you how you break them up into segments, so you see those things pull out. Yeah, so like and subscribe if you like the content, and make sure to check out the other videos.